Have you ever thought about using AI in your business? There are several ways that you can use these tools in order to build your business. There was one that just came out here recently called ChatGPT. This is a conversational AI tool. AI writing tools have been around for the last few years. It's conversational AI. What's different about it is you talk to it just like you're texting somebody. So just imagine using a text message, hey, what's the best way to buy a house? And this ChatGPT writes back to you with everything. So here's a couple of ways that you can use it actually in your business. For one, if you're ever stumped on what to say to a client, what to say to another agent, get in there, ask it. What should I say to this person? Maybe you're not the best at writing professionally, so you need some help. You can copy a whole email in there and it'll rewrite it and make it sound more professional for you. There's no real instructions on this tool. You just type in there and tell it what you want it to do. It is free right now. You can use it. You can try it out. I've been using it since it came out and it's been amazing. Total game changer. Like I told y'all in a previous video, these AI tools are here to stay. So definitely check it out. If you need more help in the content department, I have a free Facebook group that you can hop into. Just go to my profile. You'll see the information there and there's tons of information in there. So I'll see you next time.